Hey, Johnny with Fieldman, and today I want to walk you through this amazing custom-built van based on a Mercedes-Benz 4x4 Sprinter. This thing has it all. It's got all the safety features from Mercedes, including lane assist, collision assist, blind spot avoidance. It's got the bumper sensors, and it even has adaptive cruise control. And then we loaded the exterior with tons of features as well. It's got our front bumper with winch, equipped with 2 LP6s from Baja Designs. Our roof rack has 5 LP9s from Baja Designs. Those lights will turn night into day. Roof rack also includes solar, extra storage, and a pull-out awning on the side for extra shade out here. On the exterior and the rear, we have our Owl Van components, the Sherpa racks that can hold all kinds of different accessories. And then on the inside, it's a full motorhome. It's got it all. The kitchen includes a 7 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. It has an induction cooktop. It has a convection microwave oven above the fridge, huge sink, tons of storage, including a pull-out slide pantry for all your goodies. This thing also has a full bathroom shower right behind the driver's seat, and then sleeping for 4. So it has a big platform bed in the back, and then a fold-down sofa that can also accommodate 3 passengers with seat belts. There's a removable seat for another passenger, so this thing can seat up to 6 safely with seat belts. And then the storage is amazing. So it's got a big garage in the back. It can hold your skis, snowboards, mountain bikes inside, all the gear you need for an epic trip. You can live in this thing. It's got it all. It's a full motorhome, 4-wheel drive, easy to drive, easy to park. It's got our agile suspension, custom wheels and tires. There's so many features, I can't even remember them all. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our custom-built 4x4 Sprinter. For more tours like this, check out our YouTube channel. You can go to our Instagram, our Facebook, go to fieldman.com for more information. And if you'd like us to build a van like this or another awesome design for you, give us a call at Fieldman.